Well, welcome. I'm Ben Perry. This is Organic Lunchtime with me, and this is episode 6. When is the best time to post? So if you're the replay viewer, type in R in the comments. Love to have the after party viewer in, and I'm going to share across the social media platforms like I always do. You know, it's one thing when people are asking, when's the best time to post, Ben? When is the best time to post? Because I don't want to post when, is that still there? Good. I don't want to post when people aren't watching. I want to make sure that my stuff gets seen by as many people as possible. Well, there's a few things that I'm going to share with you today that hopefully by the end of this, you will walk away from it having a better idea of the particular time. Oh, what did I do? Where did I share that? I shared that in the wrong spot. Well, you know, just share it again. Welcome, Jason. Welcome, brother. And inside the group here, it's like a Sisyphean effort. You know what a Sisyphean effort is? Hey, Alicia Davis. The Sisyphean effort is it's a Greek mythology where, actually, I'm going to learn my lesson. Move this over here so I can see the comments coming across. So Sisyphean effort is Sisyphus. Sisyphus is pushing up the boulder, up the hill or up the mountain, and then it rolls back down, and then he has to push it up the hill again. So this is one of those things where you constantly do something over and over and over again, and you wonder, is there any end to this? It doesn't seem like I'm making any progress, and that's what a Sisyphean effort is. So before we get into it, like and share this video, because we're going to be talking about the best times to post. And if you are one of the people who have signed up for the newest version or the newest class of Organic Marketing Secrets, then welcome. Just a quick heads up, early bird doors close this Sunday night, okay? The investment is going up from $297 to $747. So just to give you a heads up about that, all right? So when is the best time to post? You guys remember about the yes button, right? When you see the yes button, you leave some likes, all right?
Yeah.
I love this.
Well, yes.
So I say post when you're inspired. When you feel it, go and do the thing that so if you want to post about a blog post, then post about the blog post at midnight, post about it at 3 a.m. If you want to do a live video, hey Cecilia, if you want to do a live video and you're feeling called and you're in a crowd of people, then bust out your phone and go live. There's a lot of value that's capitalized when you capitalize on the emotion that's running through your body when you feel inspired, okay? So what happens, though, is that if we have a certain time that we have scheduled that we're going to go live and we're going to talk about this thing, like today, okay, Organic Lunchtime with Ben, 1 p.m., what am I going to talk about? Right? I didn't have a thing set out. I normally just say, well, what am I going to talk about today? And let's just go. Or I look at questions that have been asked inside of Organic Marketing Secrets, and then I answer those questions here on this show. But what happens when nobody's asked you any questions and it's go time, but you don't know what you're going to say? Okay? Well, it's good to have a list of things in your mind, at least a framework for the thing that you do. So my thing is organic marketing, specifically on Facebook. Here's a couple things that I know work, and here is this topic, here's this topic, and here's this topic. It really helps when you create a program about it because it forces you to systemize what it is that you're doing. So you can just go through the topics that you've actually created out. You're like, well, let me just take this little piece and let me talk about this for the next few minutes. Why do I say post when inspired? Okay. You could post at 8 a.m. You could post at noon. You could post at 4 p.m. You could post at 9 p.m. But I'm telling you that when you post when inspired, there's some energy that gets transferred through that post, and then other people get to experience it. But when you have writer's block, that could be interesting as well. Or what happens when you've lost your mojo? What happens when you've lost your mojo and you're just not feeling it? Like today, you just really don't feel like doing it. You don't feel like writing. You don't feel like going live. You feel like being a hermit. I have these days a lot of the times. All right? Hey, Jen Taylor. And I see that Jill commented on my post, but I don't think she's watching the live. I have those days as well where I'm just like, you know what? It's fuck it all days, right? We're just like, you know what? Screw it all. Don't really care. I'm just not feeling it. Well, I highly recommend to not follow that feeling, right? Act in spite of that feeling. Because if you live your life according to your mood, according to your emotion, then you're not going to get very far. And it's a recipe for disaster. Your goals will continue to keep pushing out further and further, right? You take 2 steps forward towards your goal, and your goal is going to take 2 steps forward too, right? But if you don't commit and you don't show up like you said you're going to show up, even if you have writer's block, even if you don't know what to say, even if you're scared, even if something happened, right? Unless it's an extenuating circumstance, then show up. Okay? And a lot of times, especially with live videos, you can just like interact with the people right here. Like right now, we can have a conversation, all right? So somebody type your most like pressing question that you have. Either it could be about organic marketing, it could be about mindset, it could be about money mindset. We could talk about that. We could talk about coffee. I love coffee. We talk about dressing up. It's Halloween, right? October. What are you going to dress up as, right? People are really excited about that. We can talk about any of those things. And then what happens is conversation gets started, ideas are put out there, and then another person has a conversation, another person has an idea, and then that idea and this idea have sex, and it's called idea sex, all right? And then idea babies are created. You know those idea babies are called out in the real world? They're called innovation. Innovation, baby. Lacey Davis says, I was inspired to connect with new people last night at 12. I'm assuming that was 12 a.m. I woke up to 23 new friend requests. Alicia, bam! Right there, lady. That's awesome. Thank you for sharing to your team page. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so what are you going to dress up as? Let's just go with that. All right, let's have this episode be fun. All right. Which, by the way, just a little heads up, next week's Organic Lunchtime with Ben is not going to happen because we're going to be doing the live Organic Engagement Challenge. What are your favorite ways to connect with new people? I love to send them a personal selfie video, Alicia. I don't know if I've actually sent one to you or not. Have I sent a personal selfie video to you? Maybe. Maybe not. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. I just looked right now. I love it. And see, when you make this a standard practice, it becomes more defaulting to yes, I've probably sent you a personal selfie video than not. Okay? Me and my 2 girls are going to be scarecrows. Awesome! Do you live in the Midwest? Or is that just something you guys decided to do? Okay. Jason says, unless I buy something, if I find something I like, I will go out as me. Scary thought. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Have you watched my Halloween lives? No, I have not. I have not watched your Halloween lives. Is that a theme that you have? Is that a theme that you have? Oh, Alicia, we connected from Fallon in the Lady Tribe. Well, welcome, lady. Always love some of Fallon's people up in her. Okay? So, What should I go off on a rant about? I feel like ranting. So you live in Arkansas. I found a cute costume for my 2-year-old, so we're going with it. All right. Fantastic. So, let's see here. All right, so I posted something up today about the Perry method, okay? The Perry method means strive for a relationship that's not ignorable. And the basic thought premise is organic marketing equals creating relationships. And that means you have to go first. It means you have to be proactive, using proactive connection, to reach out to people and form those relationships. Now, a lot of times, if they're really, really successful, they're going to be really, really busy. So you might have to reach out more than once. But I find that majority of people don't do this. It's like they're not even striving. They don't even try, right? And I'm sure they've got all these other reasons for why they're not reaching out, right? That extends beyond, I'm afraid to reach out. What if they don't respond back to me? Well, that's a fear-based kind of conclusion. What if I can't pay because I know that they only talk to people that pay them money? Okay, we'll go make some money that you can pay them, and then you could rock and roll with them, because that happens a lot too. I'm telling you what, people will pay way more attention to you if you're one of the paying customers than if you're somebody that's just soaking up free content. Okay? So you could pay, right? If they say I charge $1,000 an hour for my service to have a one-on-one with me, and you feel like you would get a lot of value out of that hour, then pay the $1,000 to connect with that person. Because what happens if you already pay ahead of time to that person, and then you meet up? Like, the money part's been handled. You can just show up and be a human being. Like, you kind of like paid your tuition to have access to that person. And yes, some people are that busy, some people are that successful, and some people can state that that's their rate. But what is the positive outcome that could happen from that? There's so many possibilities that can go up from connecting with somebody who is on that level. Now, successful people know other successful people. One of the best, most worked on skills of the elite, and what I mean by elite is like the super successful, is that they all understand that you got to be networking. And the more people you know, the more you can make things happen. I might not know somebody that knows how to solve your problem, but I'm sure I know somebody who does. And they might know somebody, and they might know somebody, and it goes through the grapevine. And if you stand up, so you essentially either reaching out for free and implementing the tactics that I teach you in Organic Marketing Secrets, that will help you. It will go a long way. Paying money really is like the last resort. But you could still do that. That's still an option. It's still a choice. Because at the end of the day, you got to be the one to stand up. You got to be the one to walk up to the great table, the great feast that you see everybody else chowing down at. Instead of sitting back and be like, oh, I wasn't invited to the party, say, fuck that. I'm the party. I'm showing up. I'm pulling my seat out. I'm claiming the seat. I don't need anybody's permission to be here. And what's up? Watch what happens. So, that's my little mini rant there. So, we have any other questions? We're going to rock and roll it. We're at almost 15 minutes. If there's any questions related to organic engagement, to organic marketing, pop them down below. And I'm just going to take this time to remind you again that the early bird doors for Organic Marketing Secrets is closing this Sunday, $297 for $297. It's going up to $747 Sunday night. Okay, and then we're going to be going through the Organic Engagement Challenge. So everybody that goes through the Organic Engagement Challenge, I'm going to be talking about Organic Marketing Secrets. I would recommend to get in now while you can before it goes up. I've had it at this level of investment for pretty much since May. So if you want to get in before I raise this price, which I should have done a long time ago, Do it now. All right. Also, who wants to see more videos, like professionally cut videos inside of Organic Marketing Secrets? I'm thinking about doing that. It'll be after the challenge, really. But more high definition, good looking videos to put inside of Organic Marketing Secrets, or even put inside this page. All right. Oh, did I miss something up? No. Okay, so that's it. Yes.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
All right. So, yes, I would love to see you inside of the 7-day Organic Engagement Challenge. It's starting this Sunday, 9 a.m. Yesterday's Organic Lunchtime with Ben, I said that if you shared the event, 7-day Organic Engagement Challenge, and left commentary with your share, don't just share the event, but leave commentary why you're going to be doing the event, then I will. It's a tit for tat, okay? So cause and effect. If you share the event, right, and you're actually going to participate, and you share with your commentary why you're going, then I will gift you access to my program, Ben Perry's Video Playbook for Red Hot Organic Facebook Engagement. Okay, it's a $97 value. I will send you a private message via Messenger as soon as I see the share come across. You gotta tag me in it so that I know that you did it. Okay, only about 5 or 6 people really took me up on the offer yesterday. So if that's you and you want access to one of my premium programs, this is it. This is your opportunity. So the stipulation, you need to be going to the 7-day Organic Engagement Challenge, share the event, okay, which is right here on this page, and I will get you hooked up with access to my live video playbook. Right? Hey, Carrie Porter, welcome. Well, I finally caught you live. How about that? So let me go to events. I'm going to share the event here with you guys. I'm going to post it down in the comments so you guys aren't wondering, well, where is it? I don't know where it is. Here it is. Okay? So click on the event and then share the event with your people. Okay? And with that being said, I'm Ben Perry, the creator and founder of Organic Marketing Secrets, helping you explode and monetize your organic engagement so you can have more impact and influence on the people that you're called to serve, and so that you can fully express your purpose in life. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you on Sunday for the challenge. All right? Share this video and gain access. Talk to you later. Bye.